Hey everybody, welcome to this Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add blur to the background. I think you guys are gonna enjoy it. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. And without further ado, this is me, Arafat. There is two quick way to do it. Here you will learn both of them. First way is pretty easy. Select the subject. To copy the selection, press Ctrl+J on a PC or Command+J on a Mac. I will make a copy of it for backup. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Once you happy with this result, hit OK. This is the before, this is the after. The second way is super easy. You don't need to select anything. Direct go to Filter, Neural Filters. Enable Deep Blur. This is a beta version of filter. Beta version is an early release of the offering that's almost ready but might have some bugs, so be ready for it. Beautiful. You can make color corrections here. Cool. After happy with it, hit OK. This is the before, this is the after. Let's look deeper. It's not 100% correct, but look at the details here. It's pretty good. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends to help them. See you in the next video. More Photoshop tutorials.